So again, we got to simplify this expression. We need to think about the order of operations PEMDAS. We got to do parentheses, exponents, multiplier, divide, add or subtract from left to right. Okay. Before, like, this divide sign means divide the whole thing. So divide this whole thing by this whole thing. Now we can't do that division until we've turned the top into a number and the bottom into a number. So we're going to try to get a number over a number, and then we can divide, and then we'll get the answer, right? So the first thing to do is simplify the top, and simplify the bottom. So just for fun, I'm going to start with simplifying the bottom. What's negative 8 times 7? Yeah. Negative 56. Good work. And the top is negative 4 times 3 squared minus 5 times 2 squared. We don't have any parentheses in this expression. We do have exponents, right? So if I follow the order of operations, I've got to do my exponents next, right? So 3 squared makes what?
3 times 3 equals 9.
Yeah, 3 times 3, and that's 9. What's 2 squared?
2 times 2, which equals 4.
That's 4. All right, so we did our exponents. Just write everything out as it was, but we've done the exponents. The 3 squared became 9. The 2 squared became 4, right? So our exponents are done. Okay with that?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have negative 4 times 9 minus 5 times 4. This is multiply. That's subtract. This is multiply. What should we do first? Multiply. In fact, we have two multiplications, this one and this one. We should do this one and then we can subtract. Does that make sense? Okay. So what's negative 4 times 9?
Negative 30.
Right. And if you want, you can put these in parentheses. You don't have to, but I'm just doing that for fun. Negative 4 times 9, negative 36. Good. What's negative 5 times 4?
Negative 20.
Yeah, that's negative 20. If you want, you can change that subtract to blam blam plus negative. Now it says plus negative 5 times 4, which is kind of like plus negative 5 times 4 is negative 20, right? Yeah. Yeah, you could also have it looking like this. Negative 36 minus 20. It doesn't matter. It's a negative 36 and a negative 20 combined together. Is what it is, right? Negative 36 subtract 20. Negative 36 plus negative 20. Same thing, right? In fact, this one can be changed to this by doing this. Blam, blam. See? Negative 36 plus negative 20, right? At any point, a subtraction is the same thing as plus negative. Okay? So that is always fine to do. A subtraction can be changed to a plus negative, right? So in any case, we've got negative 36 and a negative 20. What does that make?
Negative 56.
Yeah, 36 bad guys plus 20 bad guys is lots of bad guys, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
It's 56 bad guys. Make sense?
Yes.
So the top of the fraction gives us negative 56. And so our fraction becomes negative 56 divided by negative 56. Right? So that's negative over negative, which makes...
1.
Right. Right. Negative over... What's the sign, though? Negative over negative is what?
Positive 1.
Positive. Right? And 56 over 56 is... 1. Yeah. So the answer is just positive 1. You know? If you want to change that to negative over negative, you could say, okay, that's positive 56 over positive 56. You could do that. And then go, okay, 56 over 56 is 1. So that's also correct. But the answer is just the number 1. Okay? With that, the answer is 1. Great question, great work. Oh man, that was...